What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be showing you my new butter slime. Yeah. I might sell this. If you guys want me to sell this, if you guys want me to sell this, if we reach until 15 likes, I'm gonna sell this. Or maybe I'll just give it away to like one of my subscribers or so, like, yeah. By the way, half ASMR and also a review. Okay, so this is like a super like sticky slime. Should I activate it? I'll activate it. I'll just get my activator. Okay, so that was my activator. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so I added activator. Okay, so it became less sticky. Well, kinda. Go subscribe to my friend's channel. Grumpy Cool Dude, Arion Crosby, Angela Beatriz Lustre, Jonel Jr. Estomo, Gabriel Kaisip, and Friends and Me. And finally, Tanya and Wanya's Fun Channel. God, it's hot. Boosh. Go follow me on Musical.ly, Althea Hale _109. And also on Instagram, Althea Hale. After Althea, there's no space. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is my kinda like a fail fluffy butter slime. So yeah, hit that like button. Let's try to get to 15 likes, then I'll give this to one of my subscribers. And yeah. And also hit that subscribe button. We're only on 25 subscribers, so let's reach 50, and I'll do maybe about 3 vlogs every week. So yeah, tap the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So bye.